this video, I'll help you understand easily and effortlessly why a breathy voice is not good for you and why actually it can cause damage to your vocal folds if it's been going on for long periods of time. I'm not talking about very highly trained singers that use breathy voice, sound mindfully and purposefully as part of their style and color to enrich their expression and to sound very sensual and sexy. I'm talking about having a breathy voice as your speaking and singing voice when you are not aware of it and not being able to sing or speak otherwise. So what actually breathy voice is? It is a voice that sounds with a lot of air in it, like this, instead of And what does it tell about your voice? In case you always speak with a breathy voice, first you will not be able to notice that your voice is breathy. And why? Because our inner ear and nervous system get used to hear our voice from the inside, and as we get used to it, we tend to think it's okay, while actually it's not. This is also the reason why successful singers very often have at least vocal coach or a teacher to assist them with balancing their voice before and after recording and performing. But this is for another video. Breathy voice indicates that your vocal folds do not have a perfect or complete closure when vibrating, namely speaking or singing. It's all about the air pressure and air flow that goes on while we speak and sing. As you're well supposed to know, we cannot produce sound with our vocal folds without an amount of air going out from the lungs and our belly. So, when your vocal folds do not completely close, there is a large amount of air escaping through the space that left open. That will cause you to lose control over the amount of air pressure that you'll be able to hold and produce while you speak and sing, to raise your volume or to keep long notes for times. You may lose sound stability over your long or short notes. They will sound shaky and out of pitch many times. You may also lose your singing power as a result of lack of air and get tired very quickly and easily. And you may be able to sing very short phrases or you cannot, because you cannot keep the air for a long time. This is the direct effects you may feel. What about the indirect effects or the long-term ones?